perform a restricted party screening, go to your orders page within your e-commerce store. Select the order of the customer you would like to screen and wait for this page to open. Open the customer's records by clicking on their name. Within this page, you will see that the customer has no notes or tags associated with them. For example, no previous denied party screening has taken place on them. To begin performing the restricted party screening on your selected customer, head to the More Actions menu and choose Perform RPS. Wait a few seconds for the screening to take place, and a new tab will open showing you the results. Now, if you go to your customers page within the e-commerce platform and select your recently screened customer, you will see that the note has been added to their profile telling you that the party is not restricted. This means that you are clear to ship your product. And it's that easy to perform a restricted party screening with EdgeCTP Tariff Tools.